The United Kingdom's Ministry of Defense latest intelligence update on Ukraine, August 20, 2023. The leadership of Russia's aerospace forces is under intense pressure to bolster air defenses in western Russia, amid an increasing range of threats penetrating deep inside the country. Strikes within Russia's borders are strategically impactful, as President Putin likely launched the invasion of Ukraine, assuming it would have minimal direct consequences for citizens within Russia. Uncrewed aerial vehicles regularly strike Moscow and other regions. Additionally, outdated Soviet-era SA-5 surface-to-air missiles are being repurposed by Ukraine as improvised short-range ballistic missiles for ground attacks. The pressure falls heaviest on Russia's Aerospace Forces Chief of Staff Colonel General Viktor Ovtsalov to rectify vulnerabilities, as Russia's Aerospace Forces Commander-in-Chief General Sergei Surovikin remains absent after suspected detention relating to the June 2023 Wagner Group mutiny. The Institute for the Study of War Russian Offensive Campaign Assessment. Ukrainian forces conducted counteroffensive operations in at least 2 sectors along the front and gained ground east of Robotyne. Geolocated footage on August 19-20 confirms recent Ukrainian advances east of Robotyne in Kharkiv Oblast. The Ukrainian General Staff reported counteroffensives in the Melitopol sector of western Zaporizhia Oblast and the Berdyansk sector between western Donetsk and eastern Zaporizhia Oblasts. Russian military bloggers acknowledged ongoing issues with counterbattery capabilities across the entire front line, especially near Zaporizhia. They also noted personnel shortages, forcing junior enlisted soldiers to command some Russian companies instead of officers. The manpower losses indicate Russia's officer corps has been hit hard. The lack of experienced leadership at the company level will likely further reduce Russia's battlefield effectiveness. Ukrainian counteroffensives exploiting these command weaknesses may continue to make incremental gains. The Institute for the Study of War Key Takeaways today. Ukrainian strikes on rear areas in Russia are generating discontent and criticism of Russian military leadership, likely part of Ukraine's psychological campaign. Attacks on logistics and command nodes are demonstrably degrading Russian morale, potentially threatening defensive stability. The Netherlands and Denmark confirmed transfer of F-16s to Ukraine but did not specify timing. Russian officials allegedly have a 10-year ethnic cleansing plan for occupied Mariupol. Growing fractures within Wagner Group as commanders accuse leaders of betrayal, suggesting Kremlin efforts to dismantle Wagner are working. Russian forces conducted limited offensive ops near Kupiansk, Kreminna, Bakhmut, Avdiivka, Donetsk City, and western Donetsk, eastern Zaporizhia, with marginal gains near Bakhmut. Wagner fighters continue violent crimes in Russia after returning from Ukraine. Russia forcibly relocating Ukrainian mothers' children under guise of medical retreats.